Hello guys, welcome back again. Part 2 of this video, Enforcer version 11 panel. In this video I want to show you how we programming the door contact motion PIR. Okay, before we start, could you please subscribe my channel and make sure press the icon bell so you receive my new video. Okay, let me start. After power of the panel, so now we go to programming the sensor. First we programming the door contact, then is PIR1 and PIR2. So if you need to do programming for the door contact, you need to go first engineering mode. Engineering mode is default code is 4 and press 1 1 1 1. Then you enter the engineering mode, then you go to wireless devices, press yes, then input control put, press yes, learn device, yes, and that is available one device. Okay, and press yes again. Now you need to open the door contact cover. So you need small screwdriver. You need so you need small star screwdriver. You need, then you need to press the learn button. This one you need to hold just 3 seconds. So 1 2 and 3, that's the button. Now this sensor is programmed. Okay, now put the cover back. Then put number 1, this one. This is going on door contact on the door. That is number 1. Already I marked it. Yeah. Then take the sensor number 2. Already I mark behind. This is number 2 sensor. Same thing. You need to open the cover. And there is learn device. So you need to go press no, and press arrow. Number 2, yes. Then hold again this learn device for 3 seconds. 1 2 and 3. That's it. This sensor is also programmed. You need to put cover back and close the cover. Okay, I press number 2, then number 3 again. Open the cover. So press no and press the arrow button, press yes, then hold this again 3 seconds. So this is a learn. Okay, hold this white button. So 1 2 and 3. Okay, sensor is programmed. Go back, close back. So this 3 sensor is program, and then if you have 4 sensor, 5 6 7 8, all sensors the program like this. Okay, now we sensor is program. Now we give how the sensor is works. So now we keep programming the sensors all. The sensor already learned with the panel. Now we do programming how the sensors works. Okay, so you need to go to press no again, no again. Now we need to go to change inputs here. Now press no again. You need to go change inputs, press yes. Then input number 1, this is number input number 1. Press yes, is unused. We need to put number 7. It's a final exit. When the door is open, they give time. Then press yes. We want to make program A and B. Press B as well. Press yes. Input area limit as 0. Introduce means if we give chime or not. Press yes, we give chime. Then press 1. Chime is on. Then keep pressing. If you want like a press input 1 exit. Yes, yes, yes. Introduce, we give occupancy. We don't need occupancy. Provision, confirm. Description, we give name. Press 00. Press front door. Press arrow. Door. Okay, press yes. Yes again. Now press number 2, this one. So this is going in hole. I just put press 8, entry route. Press 9. Okay, we need area effect. If you use part like as part setting, we use this zone. Press yes. We use P as well. No chime. Okay, chime only we give on the front door only. If you want to give chime, we can give chime if you want. This is put in the hole. Okay, press yes, yes. Now this is going on, for example, living room. I give intruder. I'll also give B. The chime, press. Give this one sensor going in the, for example, living room or dining, whichever. Just put living. Okay, living room. Okay, so then this is done. Programming input. You press A for apple. Let me see if any problem. Okay, now this sensor now is programmed. Let me check the sensor. Press number 2. Press yes. And if you open door, what's happened? This sensor is activated. We need to this sensor has to be to let they know pick me. This is the area effect sensor. Okay, I'll try again. Put this sensor this way because this sensor is so. Okay, now we test the alarm. So what we do, this sensor is intruder, so we need to put this sensor a little bit high to pick me. Okay, now put code. One, two, two, then yes. No problem. Then okay. now one blip the alarm is set. Okay, when I open door, okay, this sensor I come inside, put code. Okay, so now you see they no pick my code because you need to off the instruction. Now we need to alarm is triggered and we put code. So now we need to go in site options. So we need to enable restriction. So again go engineering mode, then go to system option and press yes. Site option, press yes. User level set auto. So look, if we see a restricted pin used, so we need to put 0. You need to no. Okay, now you can on the alarm with your keypad and off with keypad. Okay, so press no. Press A for apple. Okay, now press A for apple. Okay, let me test again now. Okay, one blip, the alarm is set. Now we open door again. 1, 2. So this is the way to programming and you off the restriction pin like this here. So hope you understand. So any problem, just let me know. Okay. So in next video I want to show you how you programming the smart plug like this one. How you programming, I want to show you next video. Okay, goodbye.